The amount of knowledge that floats around in this company is insane.
Just being connected to that and being a part of it, I never thought I'd have an opportunity in life for.
Hi, my name is Joe Graber. I'm an A&P mechanic. I've been here at AirCorps for 2 years, and I work on warbirds.
I'm Ryan Mahachek. I've been at AirCorps for 3 years. I'm currently the component manager in the restoration shop.
The team culture around here is pretty awesome.
The skill set we have working at AirCorps is amazing.
We work really hard, but we also enjoy cracking jokes and having fun, and that's one of the great things too about AirCorps is it's like you kind of work with your friends, you know?
I see that cycle of mentor and apprentice going on in our shop every day, and I love being a part of that. It's a very special thing that we have here. I think that helps bond us all together.
If you have a mechanical background, just apply. I mean, we've hired people of all walks of life that have no aviation experience.
We're going to give you what you need and the skills and the tools to be able to do the job. I'm looking for other people out there to be a part of this. I think it's pretty special.